Hey, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text and typography. This is important for creating hierarchy, improving readability, and aesthetics on your site. Start by selecting a text box. Navigate over to the right-hand panel and scroll down to Text. You can see a range of properties, which we'll now edit. Starting with font, you can adjust this to match to your brand identity. Weight, which adjusts the thinness and thickness of the font. A font too thin might run the risk of being unreadable, but a font too thick might not fit your brand identity. For me, it sits somewhere here in the middle. Color is where you can adjust the color of the text. You can see this impacts the contrast between the background and the text. Here white works wonderfully, but black just isn't as readable. Size is where you can change the size of the text. As you can imagine, if the text is too small, you won't be able to read it. If the text is too big, it might be out of proportion or fall off the page. Find what works for you here. Letter refers to letter spacing, which is the spacing between each letter. You can see if I make it smaller, it decreases the spacing. If I make it bigger, it increases the spacing. Line refers to line height. So if I made this 2 lines, adjust the height, you can see the spacing between the lines increases. Let's put this back to how it was. Finally, alignment, something you're used to from text processes. Left alignment, middle alignment, and right alignment. And finally, paragraph, which refers to paragraph spacing. You can see if I select a bigger block of text, navigate here to paragraph spacing, add a line break, and increase the paragraph spacing, the space between the paragraphs gets larger. And there you have it. That's how you adjust text and typography on your Framer project. See you soon!